Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb app. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about iHerb app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.